Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 4. This week, we start diving into our first expressive art for a couple weeks, and that's the literary arts. So our instructional outcome this week is to be able to identify at least 3 strategies for engaging students in the literary arts. Our enduring understanding is that the literary arts hold great potential for making new meaning in and of our world. And so some questions that will be driving our learning include, what is poetry? And what are some common poetic structures we can use in content areas? What is creative writing? And how can we use it within content areas such as math, social studies, and science? And finally, how might we adapt learning experiences for culturally, linguistically, and ability diverse students? So this week, to begin your exploration, you're reading chapter 1 in the Donovan and Pascal book. And of course, the discussions are optional. I do encourage you to take advantage of them, share your ideas around what you're reading or what you're learning altogether. And then we begin our exploration of the literary arts. So I have numbered explorations under this second activity. So the first exploration being reading the literary arts or the monster in the room. So when we begin each unit of study about one of our expressive arts, I have a short little 1-page or 1.5-page article for you to read that is based on my experiences with that particular expressive arts as a teacher. And so that's what this one is. And then your second exploration activity is exploring classroom meetings. And you'll kind of dive into why is that even important if we're talking about art integration? And there's several things to explore with that. Oh, sorry, I missed the next one, I think. Sorry about that. Your third exploration is giving poetry a try. So you have lots of things to click on here and watch and think about with regard to poetry. Okay. Then we, thinking forward, that you'll be submitting your literary arts, integrated arts assignment next week, because we'll have 2 weeks with this. So you want to now be thinking about kind of maybe something you learned this week and something you want to try a little bit and play with the literary arts for that assignment. So we end the week with the integration and resolution. So kind of thinking about how are you going to apply what you've learned, and kind of what are you thinking now about these essential questions and how are they shifting your thinking? Our assignments for this week are the week 4 check-in and also your artist memoir assignment. Please let me know early in the week if you have questions on that assignment so that I can answer them before Friday, because of course I'm not usually doing things on the weekend. All right. See you online. Let me know if you have any questions.